Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are finally coming to the most exciting part of our tiny house build so far, which is the slide out. In our last episode, we talked about how we lift up these two gigantic picture frames, how they interlock with each other, and how we install those curved roof joists. So if you're interested in that, please go back to check out the past episode. In this episode, we will talk about how we build a slide out and how it works. In our tiny house design, the slide out is going to be 16 feet long, 8 feet wide, and 7 feet tall. That will give us plenty of room in the slide out section, and we plan to put a bedroom and a bathroom in there. The slide out will be rolling on wheels. There are 17 wheels in total. Each one of them has a weight capacity of 500 pounds. At the bottom here, we have 5 wheels attached to the outside frame of the main house. That is going to take most of the load during the slide in and out action. And then we also have 4 wheels at the end of the slide out's floor joist. That is to prevent the house from sinking down when it's almost all the way in. And at the top here, we have 8 wheels attached to the end of the roof joist of the slide out. And when we build those curved roof beams, we also make tracks for those wheels to roll on. Those wheels add to prevent the house from sinking down when it's all the way out. This whole slide out thing sounds a bit complicated, but when you see it in action, it all gonna make sense. In order for the slide out to work, we need to first complete the structure framing of the slide out section. We already put on the floor joist. Right now we are working on putting the roof joists on, and then we will test out the slide in and out action. Now all the joists of the slide out are installed, and it's time for me to see the dentist. So unfortunately, I did not capture they pushed the slide out in back to the main house. But according to our strawman helpers, they said that it slide in very smoothly and it wasn't heavy at all. Now that the slide out are in, we're going to finish putting on the main house roof joist. We manufacture those remaining roof joists in the garage as one unit, and then we jack it up to the to the frame of the main house. That way all the joists are installed, and we will show you how the slide out works. When we finish putting on the roof joist of the loft, lots of people ask us if that's where our bedroom is going to be. Actually, our bedroom will be in the slide out section, and the loft is just for storage and observation deck, according to Liam. So if you are curious about how we will use the loft space and put a bedroom and a bathroom in the slide out, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss out the building process of our tiny house. As you can see, the slide out mechanism still needs some adjustments. It's not perfect, it's still on a manual stage, but we made it work, and we will keep improving it and working on it further down the road. The summer here in Saskatchewan is ending soon, so our next priority will be getting the house winterized so we can keep working on it in the winter. And of course, keep posting new videos to show you guys our work along. So make sure you subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you next time.